guys, it's actually 6 p.m. here, and I just got to school, and let me tell you, it is raining. That is the one thing that I really, okay, as much as I love the Philippines, I don't like to be caught by the rain outside my house. Right now it is pouring so heavily, and I just don't have an option but to just stand here, sit, wait for the rain to go down. Oh my goodness, this is just this is crazy. Like, I don't know what time the rain is gonna go down because it's pouring so heavy. Let me just turn the camera real quick. I don't know if you can see it. Look at that. Look at all the students just standing by outside. Woo! And I didn't bring an umbrella. This is crazy. So this is one of rainy days in the Philippines. Woo! See? That one has decided to just still walk. Okay, let's go this way.
I'm sorry.
Why did you remove your shoes? Why did
Because I don't go.
Hi.
What's your vlog? Are you vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging. Yeah, I have a YouTube channel, Kenya.
Kenya?
Yeah. Do you know where that is?
Yeah.
Where?
Kenya. In part of Africa.
Yes. Yeah, that is
They
true.
came from Africa. Chad, Africa. My niece came from there.
Oh, what is your name? Chad?
Chaddy.
Oh, wow. Okay, it's nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Cherono.
Cherono. Oh, what a lovely name. You're nursing also.
Oh, yeah. Wait, you also have not shoes?
Yeah, we're barefoot.
Oh, you too?
You will join us. You under your shoes.
No. Bye. Woo. is the situation. See? My goodness. Say bye. Okay, ingat. You subscribe to my channel, huh? Cherono. Okay, bye guys. So the rain is dying down, which is a good thing. See. Everybody has an umbrella except me. I don't know what brilliant ideas I had though. It's rainy season, Philippines. Guys, the rain is finally dying down, which is a good thing for me, at least now. But I don't even want to get a drip of rain on my head. No, I don't want to catch a cold because I've been feeling like I'm gonna catch a cold soon. Like I've been feeling it coming, so I just don't wanna catch it. So I will just wait for the rain to die down completely, and then I can cross the road and go home. Meanwhile, just continue enjoying the view over here. Like, I don't know, for some reason I love the rain. Like guys, I love it when it rains. As long as there's no thunderstorms and lightning, I'm cool, okay? I'm only not cool with the thunderstorms and lightning. So anyway, and I'm also not cool with the rain finding me outside of my house. I like the rain to find me at the comfort of my home. But today is that day, okay? I had a class in the evening and this is it. So, like I said earlier, I'm just getting off class and now heading home. So, you guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog, and if you have not subscribed yet, please remember to do so, and turn on those post notification bells so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Like, this is real struggle, okay? This is the struggle that students go through. Like me, I don't know why I didn't think of carrying an umbrella and it had already rained before I left home. But this is a challenge for me. Like, next time I should just put an umbrella in my bag because it can be challenging. Like, it can rain the whole night and I just have no choice but to go through the rain. So anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.